1999. The readers of Amusement Today gave
Let's
it
keep our hands on the curtain
for being the #1 wooden roller coaster in this world. This legendary wooden roller coaster is scheduled to be closed for the entire season in 2010 so that it can undergo a $10 million renovation. On your right, you can see the Chaparral antique cars. The Chaparral cars have been here at Six Flags Over Texas since 1962.
Let's keep our hands in the curtain.
From Cleveland, Texas. They were being sold like hotcakes until Ford got a better idea to put the Chaparrals out of business. Come on, they're going to get Dad a picture. Just have your camera ready. Ask the Chaparral ride attendants, and we'll be glad to take a family photo for you of the kids driving you around for a change. Also on your right is the Six Flags Speedway. I've heard that those cars go so fast that in Ford,
they're testing the shockwave.
The seat of your pants would rub right off. Think about brakes. Now just past the bushes and the trees and the roller coaster tracks is the scariest, most dangerous attraction in these here parks. We call it Interstate 30. Just up ahead, on your right, is Superman Tower. At over 32 stories, it's the tallest ride of its kind in North America. To your left is the Ghost Town Saloon. You almost see my friends, Jerry and Melvin. They're still playing the green that they started last year. To your right, on to your left, you see the tracks of the Runaway Mine Train.
I think you did ride it once. Just not out most of it.
This Runaway Mine Train takes you over 3 left hills, through a saloon, and down into 2 underground mines for the adventure of a lifetime. Tracks below are the tracks that Discovery, the tallest coaster on the planet. Crystal Free shoots riders out of the station on Saturday to leap fast. 10 stories tall. This second set of tracks you see on the tracks of the Mini Mine Train. Now this ride was built for our smaller guests and our bigger chickens.
The yellow ones are for everything.
Thank you for riding the Texas Railroad. We are now entering Boomtown Station. Please remain seated till the engineer blows one short whistle. Thank you for riding the Texas Railroad.